Hello, Isabella here to help you let go of some limiting beliefs so you can move on to become successful in whatever you want. First of all, there's nothing wrong with you. Your brain is working quite well. You have just been programming your mind all these years to think a certain way, and now that way just does not serve you anymore. We are here to help you change that programming to one that fits your needs at the present time by revealing certain truths. So let's get started. Day 4, the model of power. To be empowered means to stand in your personal power and pull from your strengths and the success qualities and characteristics built into your foundational settings. The problem lies in the disconnect of our personal power as we allow our circumstances and situations of life to define us. The truth is, you have more than enough power within you to overcome anything that life throws at you. When you become empowered, you will face any struggles that come your way and overcome them. Fear won't be able to stop you. You will keep the negative situations at bay. How do you become empowered? Through knowledge. The model of power is this. On the one side is your past, and this holds your depression, sadness, guilt, and regrets. On the other side is your future, and this holds anxiety, fear of the unknown, worry, and stress. In the middle is the present. This is where you want to always be. It holds power, peace, and progress. These are your mental states. Again, the past has depression, sadness, guilt, and regrets. The future has anxiety, fear of the unknown, worry, and stress. Anything you experience is in the present state. But if you have your mental state in the past or the future, then your experience will be quite different. We need to evaluate the past and future mental states to find if they hold any truth or power. Once we demystify the two states, they no longer will control us or our perceived outcomes. When we stand in our power, we don't become attached to what we've done or any outcomes we experienced in a disempowering way. Instead, we use the past as knowledge and make adjustments where needed to follow the path to where we want to be. We all make mistakes in the past. It's what makes us human. But don't dwell there. It will not serve you. Reflect and adjust for a better future. Forgive yourself and let yourself off the hook for your mistakes. It's time to focus your attention to the path you want to be on. The past no longer exists. It's time to begin living your life with a new perspective on the future as well. Mark Twain once said, I've had a lot of worries in my life, most of which never happened. So no matter what happens in the future, good or bad, you will handle it when the time comes. It does not serve you to worry or fret about it. So let me ask you a question. What is wrong in your life right now? Now really think about that question. Did you catch it? I said right now. Right now, at this moment, you are watching me and learning. Nothing else is even going on. So to answer that question, you would say nothing is wrong right now. So from now on, I want you to practice being present in each situation. Beware of your surroundings. Because when you bring your mind to the present moment, your past and future anxieties and fears just disappear. They no longer exist. When you focus in the present moment, you give your power to yourself now. And power is taken away from your past and future emotional states. So the problem only exists in our thinking, and how we relate to them determines our experience with them. When you focus on the present moment, you work from a state of empowerment, and you can overcome and achieve anything you truly desire in your life. Now understand that the past pain experiences are not meant to hurt you. They are meant to serve you. It's there for a purpose. When you begin to use them for the purpose they are meant to serve, you bring yourself back to a state of empowerment and out of pain. Pain is just indicators to let you know you are out of your personal power and that you need to address the problem in your thinking. The truth is, you are resilient, and you can get through anything that comes your way. You always have. I say this is true of you because it's speaking of your abilities, not your belief. You may believe that you cannot get through anything, but here, in fact, you already have been through the things and are still here. So thus, the statement is true. One of the most significant effective shifts you will make in your life is to recognize the lot and live based on your abilities rather than your beliefs. In other words, align your beliefs with your abilities, not your abilities with your beliefs. Aligning your thought patterns with your abilities will no doubt free you from those mental prisons you have been living in and allow you to change your experiences. When you get caught up thinking too much about the past or future, you lose your personal power, and that will always cause emotional pain. Remember your truth. You can get through anything that comes your way, just as you always have. So don't worry about the future events. One way or another, you will get through them, and you will be okay. You always have, you always do, and you always will. When we talk about truth, we are talking about universal truth, the truth that goes beyond your situations. Okay, facts are things that are proven to be accurate, but typically applied to situations, circumstances, events, and so forth. Facts can change as new knowledge is present, but the truth will always remain steady, no matter how many facts enter the equation. Truth will shine a light on all the lies you have been carrying around which have caused you emotional pain. Once you have revealed the lies and the truth, you will never again believe those lies. Then the transformation will begin altering the course of your life. When you find yourself dwelling on the past or fretting about the future, just remember your truths. You can get through anything. You always have. You always will. The past doesn't dictate what your future will be, or even what your present is. What the past is there for is to teach you so that you can improve yourself and your situations. Use your pain to understand and correct the problem so you can live free from anxiety and depression. It is okay to experience low levels of anxiety and sadness from time to time. Just don't stay there. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out my side hustle, please click the link below. Also, please like and subscribe to stay informed when I upload another video. Again, thank you for watching and God bless.